Hi, my name is Ned, and this is Ned's Corner. In this episode of my outdoor activities series, I like to share with you my water system. This system consists of a water collecting filtration and treating system. Here I have a pastry bag for collecting water. I reinforce the top of the bag with duct tape to be able to attach the bag to a stick planted in the ground, or to a small tree, with a rope through those holes. I take the plastic tip off and use a paper clip as a faucet by folding the bottom of the bag. In the collecting bag, I use a mesh fabric to hold the large contaminants when collecting water. The filtration bag is same as the collecting bag, but I have a coffee filter instead of the mesh. You can put in the filter some sand and crushed coal from your fire to help filter the collected water. I use the same reinforcing and attachment with a rope to put the filtration bag beneath the collecting bag. Here I use a second paper clip as a faucet to control the flow of water. And this is a standing plastic bag to hold the filtered water and to treat it with 2 aqua tabs per liter or quart. Here I have 3 redoxon tablets to give a little fizz and taste to the treated water. Instead of the redoxon tablets, you can use electrolyte sachets, but they are more bulky. You can use a half a tablet for every liter you treat, just to change the taste a little bit. In the system, I have also the bottom of a plastic garbage bag to use as a tub to make a disinfection solution by adding a quarter of a bleach tablet in 4 liters of water. You can also sift the filtration sand in the solution. This way you will use a coarse, clean, and disinfected sand in your filter. You can also use the solution to disinfect a wound, or to wash your feet after a long hike, and thus to prevent athlete's foot fungus. And here I have 2 bleach tablets. Here I have an 18 inches by 36 inches of heavy aluminum foil to build a container to boil water. I fold the foil back and forth to prevent the stretching on one side. You can form a container or 2 with this foil, either by forming the foil around your fist to make a bowl to boil water, or by folding it like a Chinese food box if you want to make a plate. You will have to fold the edges of the container you make on themselves to form the container as solid as possible. Here I have 6 feet of wire to roll around the container and use it as a handle to put it on fire with your knife. You wrap a length of wire around the rim of the bowl, and you fold the rim over the wire to give it sturdiness. Then you make a double circle with the wire to go around the bowl to make the handle. It is better to fill the container to the maximum with water to protect the container when it is on fire. And you can put or pick up your bowl on and off the fire with your knife and a paper clip as a stopper. All of those items can be placed in a small Ziploc bag and then wrapped with a couple of elastic bands. Try to empty the air from the inside of the bags to have the tightest package possible. Make sure that the sharp items like the paper clips are to the inside and that the bleach tablets are on the opposite side from the vitamin C tablets. And then they can fit into a balloon by adding a couple of drops of a liquid soap in the balloon, so you can slip them in. Work the soap inside the balloon before blowing it up, and make sure that it is very slippery on the inside at every spot. This way it will be much easier to stretch the balloon inside out over the package. And to make them fit better, you can blow the balloon a second time to loosen it and place the package to your liking. This way the system can be well tightened and waterproofed. I hope you found this video interesting, and please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.